Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news, anything in the crypto space. Yes, I make a lot of videos. I'm highly interested in anything crypto. Currently we are over 2,500 subscribers. I feel pumped, I feel blessed. I'm happy our community is growing. I'm happy a lot of people are benefiting and making money from us. What we do is we do all the research so that you guys will not lose money. We show you cryptocurrencies that are scam, the ones that have potentials, the ones that you should put on your watch list and stuff like that. So I made a video. Please, if you are in this community, a lot of people are like, you're always making videos on tokens that are scam. Can you tell us a token that you believe is a solid project? I actually believe this token is something you should actually watch out for. I call it Mononoke Inu, but I think it's Mononoke Inu or something like that. But you know the name, I know the token. Guys, go and check that token out. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm going to reveal to you another token. And yes, if you're wondering where I get this content from, this information from, we have a website, we have a team that all they do is to just keep on researching about good token gems and stuff like that. So if you want to be ahead, you know, you're waiting for my videos, you cannot wait for you to quickly see this token, just go to this official website, knowledgeGapExpert.com. Look at the token I want to review. It has been reviewed since yesterday. I just want to do this now. I'm a little bit late, but then for people that are on my community that don't see this, come to knowledgeGapExpert.com. make sure you join our subscribe list. You know, you sign up, you put your email address so that when we drop content you would not miss out. That being said, let's go straight to the review of this token. So what I do is I review personally, different from what my team has reviewed, so that at the end of the day we can actually come to a conclusion and see what if my review correlates with theirs. Now, Shiryo Inu is the token. This token is way undervalued. It's literally worth nothing now. But guys, if you are very smart and you do your research, please, this is for educational purpose. This is not an investment advice. I'm not an investment expert. I'm just giving you an opportunity. I'm just showing you something you can actually put on your watch list. If you are fast and you know you think it is worth investing in, you can make a lot of money. But then any loss or gain whatsoever is solely your decision. Let me go straight to the review. This token has pumped over 104.15% in the last 24 hours. Massive pump. So if you put your money, we bought this thing like yesterday, by today I made a lot of money already, or like x100 today. Now this token is on the watch list of over 3,664 people, and this is built on the Ethereum blockchain technology. From what I can see the official website. I'm going to open the link to the official website. There's a fully diluted market cap of $92 million and a trading volume of $18 million. A token that is trading for $18 million in 24 hours, it means a lot of people are investing money in it. People will not invest money in a token that they don't believe in. Most people will not invest money in a token that they will rock pull on. People that will be investing money are people that are very good and they are very smart in making smart investment decisions. But I will still advise you to do your own research. I know the reason I'm doing this because no matter how much we say here, we cannot be 100% sure. I can only tell you I feel so much that this project is going to be a solid project based on my experience seeing scam project. When I see a scam project, I see the red flag and I'm trying to look for a red flag here. There's a white paper here. Let me quickly scroll down. I will copy this contract address. I'll scan it on Etherscan and I'm going to check this token on Token Sniffer to tell you guys what I feel. Now you can see that from this chart today, it goes up, it's coming down, it goes up, come down, goes up, come down, like that. But the token is actually new, so we cannot really say much from the chart because we're going to give this probably some few weeks. By then you'll be seeing massive number. A lot of people are going to come late, but notwithstanding, it's better for you to actually do your research so that you save money than for you to quickly jump in and you lose money. So what is Shiryo Inu? Shiryo Inu is the latest community focused token to launch on the Ethereum network. Listening to this, is a community focused token. It simply means that the success of this token depends on the community. So if you have a lot of people investing money in it, talking about the token is going to succeed. However, one thing I'm sure is that I think the developers of this token don't have plans to rock pool because they have a lot of money in the liquidity pool, and the liquidity pool is going to allow you buy and sell easily, seamlessly. So they said our team is assembled from some of the most experienced individuals in the DeFi and we want nothing more than to make Shiryo Inu the next big thing. We have some huge plans in the works, including a complex play to end game to ensure that Shiryo Inu becomes synonymous with some of the biggest dog coins which are popular today. So one of the plan is they are going to make this token like a game token. When you play, you earn some part of this token. There's a lot of tokens like that, like Dodge Cash and some other token like that. In fact, there was one I saw I did a video on that, but you can do your research about it. I think it is snake on an NFT or something like that. Our team at Shiryo Inu will have a full functional DAPP that allows for the mining of trading packs. Each trading pack will contain a random combination of cards. The first collection to launch will be in the Shiryo collection. There are 5 random cards to be minted each pack. As development progresses, the team plans to release more packs for further enhanced gameplay and user enjoyment. So I think these guys will be also drifting to the NFT space and stuff like that. I find this game interesting already from what they have written here. It shows that they have a clarity of direction of what they want to do. The next thing is I'll leave you guys to go and read more on the content. Let me check the official website and see more of the token. Now this official website of this token, it looks kind of good to me. It looks exactly like a gaming site. Look at this. I think this is a wolf that is holding a sword or something. They said NFT trading card game. Now there's a Telegram group. I'm going to open the link to the Telegram group to see how many people are actually in the Telegram group. I think this token is very, very new. It's not that popular. A lot of people are not talking about it now. I think this is the NFT pack, like I said earlier, that can be minted and stuff like that. So there's an NFT space. I love the graphics of this website. From what I can see here, it shows that they took their time to do a lot of work. There's an initial supply. 95% of the liquidity is logged. So yes, it's something you don't need to actually be scared about. And there's 3% reflection and 4% marketing, 4% development. The launching is fair launch. Yeah, you can take your time to also, apart from the tokenomics, you can read about the roadmap. Yeah, you can spend your time here to read more about this token, what they intend to achieve, list on small tiers. These are the stuff they want to do. How you can buy this coin on coinsniper.net, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Shiryo Inu. Basically, guys, you can come here and read. Honestly, I would not lie to you. If I don't like a site, I'll tell you I don't like a site. I'll tell you what I don't like about the site. But for this Shiryo Inu, I like the website. I hope this project goes on to become a very massive project. But I think it has a lot of potentials. If you are planning to invest in this project, make sure you invest the money you can afford to lose, because in as much as I believe it's going to be a very good one, I feel you should also be careful when investing. Don't invest out of greed. Now let's move to I'm going to copy the contract address from the CoinMarketCap. Since it's built on Ethereum blockchain technology, I'm going to take this to Etherscan. Currently they have over 5,108 members and 1,196 people are online. So guys, it shows that they have a very active community on Telegram minus other social media platform. I don't want this video to be too long, but I want to make sure that I take you guys step by step through what I check when I'm searching for a cryptocurrency. The process is the same, it's simple. I know a good project if I see one, and this token has potential of becoming a good project. While Etherscan is loading, I'm going to take this same token and I'll take it to token sniffer. I'll paste it here, this contract address, so that I can quickly finish this video. Yeah. Alright, I've been able to fix my internet. Now if you look at this, if you come to Etherscan, I've pasted it, you can see here Shiryo Inu. Let's move. You can see that a lot of people are actually buying this token. 5 minutes ago, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, people are buying this token massively. This token is way undervalued. It's literally worth nothing now, and it seems to be a very interesting project. I'm going to see if I can get any comment on this while I'm waiting for comment. If there's no comment, there's no problem. I think I've gotten all I need to get here. A lot of people know, like fairly know about the token. For the people that don't know, guys, I'm telling you guys that this token is actually a good one. Somebody said, hey, are you looking to invest in Shiryo Inu? Forget the app. I've done a detailed review of the token. Visit my website, Knowledge Gap Expert. Yeah, actually it is Knowledge Gap Expert. Visit that website. It's a very trusted website. I know that website. You guys should make sure you save that website on your browser. Those guys, they do a lot of thorough job when it comes to reviewing token. Let's move to token sniffer. Boom. Now look at this. I've pasted the contract address here. You can see it. It is Etherscan, built 29th of October. 29th of October is like, I think last week, towards the end of last week, few days ago, less than a week now or so. Now this token has been built. They've checked it. First and foremost, for token sniper to give something 85 over 100% low risk, it means that this token is actually safe. Guys, I'll still tell you to still do your own research. I know why I'm emphasizing and repeating it, because in as much as we believe everything is going to be smooth, anything can happen, but I feel this token is something worth investing. I will invest my money in it personally. I know that for sure. Now the swap analysis, token like this token is sellable, it's not a honeypot. But they said the fee is less than 5%, whatever. But now they've told you that it is sellable. The contract address is verified. There's no prior similar token contract address. The ownership has renounced or does not contain an owner. That means the owner cannot just rock pull on you guys. The order analysis, creator wallet contains less than 5% of the token supply, which means the community actually have enough opportunity to be safe because the creator is not holding so much of the token. All other orders possess less than 5%. There's a liquidity, and they said at least 95% of the liquidity is bond and locked. 99.52, which means these guys are not planning to rock, but they're actually here to stay. So that being said, this is my own opinion about this token. I feel it is a good product worth investing your money on. And if you still want to read about this, if you want to read a detailed review, because I'm actually talking very fast, go to Knowledge Gap Expert, the one that guy posted on that thing, and just check here, because those guys, they actually post a lot of good projects. You can come here to read and see what people are saying about this. That being said, bye for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. When I see interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. I love you guys, I really do love you guys, but make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.